Before using AudioLink XT, you need to pair it with your audio processor. Make sure the AudioStream Adapter is plugged in to your RONDO 3. Switch off RONDO 3. Then, press the main button for approximately 2 seconds to switch on AudioLink XT. Only the status light should be active. Press the telecoil and microphone buttons at the same time for about 2 seconds. AudioLink XT will now be in pairing mode for approximately 60 seconds. This is indicated by the left and right connection symbols blinking rapidly. Place your audio processor close to AudioLink XT and switch your audio processor on. Once the audio processor has been found, the symbol on the connected side will stop blinking. If you are a bilateral user, repeat this process with your second audio processor. To exit pairing mode, press one of the 3 top buttons.